Okay, it's the day after Christmas, and we are out at Saddleback playing in the snow with Pete Riddell and Cody, his son-in-law. About 20 degrees. Of course, we're all studded up. I wouldn't want to do it if I didn't have studs in the tires. It's probably about 4 inches of snow. A lot of it's blown around up into drifts in places from all the wind we had on Friday. Which was basically a blizzard. This is Cody. Pete's still getting ready, so we're just kind of laying around warming up. Not sure who this is. The fellow there at the camper is Tim. I'm not sure his last name. Big drift right there. I'll shut this off till we hit some trails.